Ever wished you could easily reinstall your operating system without losing all your personal files? Today, we're tackling the crucial skill of creating a separate home partition during Ubuntu installation, giving you much-needed data organization, privacy, and upgrade flexibility. First, you'll need your Ubuntu installation media, either a bootable USB drive or a DVD. Boot your computer from this media. Once you're in the installer, click the Install Ubuntu button. Now comes the fun part. Proceed through the initial installer screens until you reach the installation type screen. Instead of choosing the default options like Erase Disk and Install Ubuntu, select something else. This is where we'll manually create our partitions. This screen displays your existing hard drives or SS disks. We'll create a new partition for our home directory first. Find the unallocated space on your drive or choose the partition you want to resize, then click the button. A window will pop up to create the partition. In the size field, determine how much space you want to allocate for your home partition. You can allocate most of the remaining space if you haven't already made other partitions in type. Choose primary or logical, then set the mount point to home. The file system should be asked for, and everything else can be left as default. Click OK. The new home partition appears in the partition table. Now, configure the root partition, the one that Ubuntu OS will be installed on, usually marked as. Set the mount point to /, and the file system as asked for as well. Finally, ensure the device for bootloader installation refers to your main drive, and then click Install Now. The installation process begins, and you can relax while Ubuntu is installed. Upon reboot, you'll have a system with a separate home partition, making it easier to manage your data, enhance privacy, and upgrade Ubuntu in the future. Enjoy the newfound control and explore your improved system.